model, 69 plates Citroen Dispatch Driver Blue 1.5 Hdi S engine knocking no VAT bargain. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 109,405. MOT, the 16th of September 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FEU. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, none, aircon, cruise Contron, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys, sat-nav, alloy wheels. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, Cat N 2023 minor front number damage in last picture. Cap retail, £7,295 plus VAT. Click the link.